Go. Hey. That's pretty good. I've seen it. It's over there off the special. I've seen it. Get out here. You're going to right behind the handicap side. Take a bow. Take a bow. Hey, watch your ass, bitch. Hurry up, go. Hey. You know what? She's so scary. I love you. We need to go out with us, y'all. I swear I have a good time.